Hey there, welcome to How to Guide Tech. Today I'm going to walk you through making those neat scrolling text stickers using OBS Studio filter. This works whether you're live streaming or just recording your screen. Right now, I've got OBS open and ready to go. First off, we'll see what filters are. Down in your Sources section, click on any source you've got. You'll see two options pop up, Properties and Filters. Go ahead and click on Filters, then hit that plus sign. You'll see a bunch of filter choices like chroma key or color correction. If you select any filter, it will be applied to the source. Every filter has setting options of its own. But for right now, we're focusing on the scroll filter to get that text moved. Don't select any filter and close the window. Okay, step 1. We need to add a color source. Just click the plus sign in Sources panel and you'll find color sources in the list. Click it. A little window will pop up where you can name it whatever you like. I'm just calling mine BBG Scroll for now. Hit Enter. You can pick a color for this source. Let's go with black. You can adjust the height and width using the sliders. I made mine 50 pixels tall and about 12,200 pixels wide, so it stretches across my 1080p screen. Drag it to the bottom of the screen. Now we have a background bar for our text. Next up, we add the actual text. Click the plus icon again, and this time choose text from the list. Another window appears. Name this one something like Scrolling Text and click OK. Now, type in whatever you want to scroll. I'm putting like, comment and subscribe to the How to Guide Tech YouTube channel. You can pick your font. I'm using default Arial and set the size. I chose 72. There are options for bold, underline, and let's close the font window. Then you have options for color, opacity, and even gradients, but I'm sticking with plain white text for now. Play around with it if you want. Once you're happy, click OK. Now, let's line up the text with our black background. I resized it horizontally and moved it down so it sits nicely on the bar. Looks good. Time for the magic part, adding the scroll effect. Right-click on your text source, go to Filters, and hit the plus button. Select the scroll filter. You can name it if you want, but I'm just leaving it as scroll. You'll see settings for horizontal and vertical speed. Start with both at 0. To make the text move sideways, increase the horizontal speed. Slide it to whatever feels right, faster or slower. I like setting mine around 50. You should see your text start scrolling right away. Do check the loop. You can limit height and width here too. Click Close. One little hiccup you might notice, sometimes the last word bumps right into the first word without a space. Easy fix. Just double-click your text source again, and after the last word, add a space or maybe a dash or both. That should sort it out. Click OK. And now it looks smooth. Finally, you might want to tweak the width of your background bar to better fit the scrolling text. And that's really it. You've got a scrolling text sticker in OBS. Hope that helps you out. If you found this useful, I'd really appreciate a like or a subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment too if you enjoyed it. I try to thank everyone personally. All right, take care and happy streaming.